Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Do you know about Ashra Mubashira, the blessed companions? One thing that all men of faith strive towards is the entrance to Jannatul Firdaus. For a believer, paradise is always within reach lest we tend to stray from the path leading to it. The people who will be blessed with the entry to paradise on the Day of Judgment is only known to Allah and Allah alone. However, there are those who were beloved by Allah to the extent that they were promised paradise in the hereafter during the course of their lifetime on earth. Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, himself presented these 10 individuals with glad tidings of Jannah during his lifetime. He is known to have stated these 10 names in a hadith pertaining to those companions for whom paradise has been preordained by Allah on account of their services to Islam. The names of the blessed companions are Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, Hazrat Umar Farooq, Hazrat Usman bin Affan, Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib, Hazrat Talha ibn Ubaidullah, Hazrat Zubair bin Awam, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf, Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqqas, Hazrat Sayyid bin Zaid, Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Al-Jarrah. These companions were awarded this right of passage to paradise for their deep loyalty to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the services and sacrifices they made for the sake of Islam and all that it stood for. All 10 of these companions had impeccable characters, had supported the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in all levels of hardships. They stayed where many had deserted the Prophet, peace be upon him. All of them embraced Islam in the early years of its inception. They had blind faith in not only the Prophet, peace be upon him, but also Allah himself. They followed the teachings of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, without question and helped spread the message of Islam in as many ways as possible to them. When the Prophet, peace be upon him, had a revelation regarding the change of Qibla for prayers from Masjid Aqsa to the Holy Kaaba, and he changed his direction while saying his Salah, every one of these companions followed suit without any hesitation. They made great services towards the cause of Islam throughout the course of their lifetimes, and each made his own contributions in different spheres as well. They fought valiantly against the enemies of Islam in multiple battles and protected the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, above all else. Their support and love for the Prophet, peace be upon him, was unmatched and recognized by the Prophet, peace be upon him. However, in the Quran, Allah promises paradise to all the companions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and those who strive in the way of Islam, just like these 10 individuals who were given glad tidings of paradise during their lifetime. Allah also gives hope to all the other companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him, who stood by him through thick and thin and served the cause of Islam. There is hope for each and every one of us who have strong and unrelenting faith, who dedicate their lives to Islam and all that it encompasses. Jazakallah. Narrated by Sabeen Abbas. If you like the video, then please click on like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira.